Hello friends, I am Farhan from HLTF Tech and today I am going to demonstrate how we can create a new virtual machine on vSphere ESXI 6.7. Okay, the steps I will follow I will create new VM, I will assign resources, that is RAM, hard disk and the network, and then I will upload the ISO image from data store, and then I will start and finish the installation. Okay, so let's get started. This is the login after login screen of my vSphere 6.7 ESXi client, and right now there is no virtual machine here. I will click on virtual machine and I will create register new VM. I'm going to create a new VM, so I will click next. I'm going to select the name, will leave it default. The operating system I am going to install belongs to the Windows family, so I will select Windows, and now I will select Windows 10 64-bit. Then next. Right now I have only one data store. You may have multiple data stores, and you may select any one of them which may be used, which you want to use for your operating system. Okay, I will click next. Here I am going to assign the two CPUs only, and if I uh, go to the details, it means that there are two cores per socket and I have only one socket. Okay, so the RAM I am going to give it is 4 GB, the hard disk I am going to assign it is 30 GB, and now I am going to upload a data store image so that after creating VM I can install the installation of Windows Pro 10 operating system. Okay, so I am going to select it and then I am going to click next, and here I am going to finish it after seeing all the summary. Right now my virtual machine has been created, and now I am going to start the installation process. So I will click here power on. The machine is now power on. Now you can see that the Windows 10 operating system installation has started. Now rest all the processes are same. You can shift it to full screen, or you can press escape to return back to the small screen. Right now I am going to shift to the full screen for easy user interface. I will click next and I am going to install it, and now you can see that the setup is going to start. After installing the files, the Windows 10 operating system will be created, or in other words we can say that a new virtual machine containing the Windows 10 operating system, I am going to select this one, will be created. Okay, so after creation of the virtual machine, it is very necessary that you install the VMware tools, which I will cover in my later video. Right now I am going to install the Windows 10 operating system. So you can see guys that the Windows has started the installation of its files, and after the completing of all the files the new VM will be created. It will ask for reboot, and after reboot you can assign the username and password for local administrator of the machine. I thank you all for watching this video. Take care.